What's going on, everybody? It's Tuesday, markets rallying. Let's get into some futures trades.
Easy come, easy go.
Hey, we got some futures trades going on today. Markets are rallying like crazy. Nasdaq's up, oh geez, probably about 95 points. ES is up 16 and a quarter and climbing. So I've got some ES for you right here. You guys normally see I do a lot of fib work, hence Fib Sniper, and I'm going to show you how I run these symmetrical pullbacks and some of these Fibonacci extensions and retracements to find these levels for you real quick. So let's get into it. Again, this is the ES. This right here is our overnight Globex session, right where the volume spikes. This is the open of the day, and the day has completely cruised. So that being said, let's get into it. We will come to our TOS Fibonacci extensions tool. We're going to click to the top of this swing, come to the bottom of this swing, which is right there. Click again, and then we'll come right over here at the top of this swing down here, and then click again. Now we have found a support line down here. We're going to do it again. So from here, right at the top of this swing, which is right there, down to here, and then we'll come over here. Look at that. Bam! We're going to do it again from right up here, the top of this swing, to the bottom of this swing. This one's going to be below the market. As you can see, it's not on the page right now. And since this was another swing up here, we're going to run this one from the top to the bottom also. But it looks like we're going to be through that one a little bit. Actually, that one lands pretty much right on top of the other one. So that is a great support zone. Now, we're going to run this one from the top of here, which is the top of this swing, to the bottom of this swing right here, and then run it back up to the top. We've got another little support right here, which is good. And that's good for symmetrical pullbacks. Now, we are going to switch over to our retracements tool right here. And I have customized both of these in TOS. That's another video. I'm not going to go over that right now. But we're going to look for the swing from here to here, which is the top, and bam, we have a 1272 extension that lands right here in the zone. Again, we're going to go from here to here also. Bam, another 1272 that lands right in the zone. So we're going to go from this swing down here, because we have a swing down like this, and then come up. So we're going to go from the bottom of this swing to the top of this swing also. And that's about it. So we're going to hit Control, and then we're going to start clicking, and we're going to start deleting these lines just to clean our chart up some. So we're just going to keep clicking and deleting these lines off of our chart. Now, what we have, we're going to delete this 1272 because you can see it kind of went through it. So what we have here is a 1618, a 1272, and another 1272 right here also. That being said, we're going to scrunch it up. We're going to get rid of these other extensions down here. And as you can see, we have ourselves a nice support zone. So that being said, this morning, right at about 9:10 this morning, we traded down into this zone right here and then bounced back up. So 9:30 opening candle right here. So let's go to our 333 tick chart. And from here on, right here is the support that we found at 9:10 this morning. And then after the open, we had the break of the 832 EMA crossover right here. And a break of a swing high. So we got into the market at the top of this candle right here, which is 92.5. Now, 3-point stop, 5-point target. We come up here. We did not get to our 5-point target. We came down here. We did not get to our 3-point stop. So since that was the case, trade was held, trade was held, trade was held. Since we got in at 94.5, we're looking for a 5-point stop, so 99.5. So we just come up here, and right at that region right there, 99.5. And that is when the trade was completed at that point. But market just kept ripping. So let's go back to the 5-minute chart. Actually, we're going to go to the 1-minute chart. A lot easier to see. And we can come back and we can see these pullbacks on this chart itself. So if we come back to our retracement or extensions tool, we can come from this swing high to this swing low right here, project it to here. Didn't exactly come down and kiss it. We can go from here down to the low here to the high. Bam, two of them right on top of each other. Now, we can come to the retracements tool, do the exact same thing, and we have created ourselves a support zone. So what I'm going to do is right click, because I like to clean my charts up. Right click, we're going to get rid of these extensions there. Create ourselves a support zone right here. Now, same thing, that was a swing low. We can go to, click the wrong button, swing low to swing high right there. And we can get rid of these lines here because there is a 786 in here also. So a nice support zone. We didn't exactly come down and kiss it. And this was at the 1009. So let's come to the 333 tick chart. At 1009, we didn't exactly come down and kiss it, but we did get the cross of the 834 EMA. Now, we got the cross back upward. We did not get a cross here. We got a cross back upward here. So once this did get the cross, we were in the market right at the cross at 96 3/4, 96.75, and with a 3-point stop, 5-point target. Now, we did not come back down, so that cross was right at, again, 96 3/4. So 5-point target, we're looking at 01 3/4. Now, keep going up, and we got our target 01 3/4. That's 0125, 01 half, 01 3/4 is at the top of this candle right here. And if for some reason the since it didn't actually sell there because it was just a spike up and then down, the contract didn't sell. It did touch, but it did not sell. It came back down and then ripped through it here. Contract was sold here. So there's another one right there. And we're still before 11 o'clock in the morning, guys. So there's two trades, $250 each in the ES, and I haven't even covered the NASDAQ yet. So I'm just only going to cover the ES in this because there are so many trades that could have been taken in the NASDAQ, the ES, and the Russell today that I'm just going to cover the ES and basically multiply those by 3 because the charts did follow each other pretty good today. So that right there, the trade would have been done at right about a 10:50 in the morning. So let's go back to our 1-minute chart, and we can go back to our tool right here. We can project this retracement that came down. We can project it to the top of this. That also didn't come down and kiss it, but we were in the trade already here. So that being said, we just come back up. This is, I'm kind of showing you a video of how these work, okay, and how I do this. So we will redraw this right here like so. We will bring it up to here. We did poke through it down here, but hey, good enough for government work as far as that goes. We're going to do this retracement right here. Same thing. We're going to do this retracement right here. I believe it probably went through the market on this one, which yes, it did. So we just click down here, right click, remove drawing, and get rid of it. So we had some support right here. Now let's go back to 1140 on the 333 tick chart. So we'll go to about 1140, which is right here. Came down, chopping sideways, held it right here. Came up, did not get the cross, so that is not a trigger to get it into the market. Came down here. It did poke through, but traded right back up. And at 1141, so that's an 1140 candle of the NYSE tick chart. And the 1140 candle, we had very strong ticks on the NYSE tick chart. So this, we get the cross right here on this candle. We break above the previous swing high, so we're in the market at 0550, okay? Now, fast forward, 0550, so now we're looking at 1050 for a 5-point target. So we come up here, 1050, and we're out of the trade from 1143 this 1143, 1142 to 1050, and this candle right here is where it was sold at 1218. So under 20 minutes, under 40 minutes, and that trade was another $250. So there's another $250 in the ES, and we traded up, caught this trade right here. So then there were other symmetrical pullbacks here. Bam, another one right there. So that is how this is done, guys, and that is how I do this. So any questions on how this is done in more depth, PM me. Don't forget to click like. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you on the flip side.